So you finally finished your manuscript and had it professionally edited. Your cover art is eye-popping and your blurbs are gripping. Now what's next? Well, you're going to need to pull out your budgeting spreadsheet. There are a few things you'll need to finalize your book self-publishing chores. First of all, unless you're going to release your book on Amazon Kindle only, you'll need an ISBN, International Standard Book Number. In fact, you'll need a separate ISBN for every edition of your book. Each gets its own number: ebook, paperback, hardcover, audiobook, and so on. An ISBN ensures your book's information will be stored in the industry's Books in Print database, which is consulted by publishers, libraries, and retailers around the world. You can buy groups of 10 ISBNs for $295, but a single number can cost you $125. At INSONA Author Alliance, we use dual ISBNs with Barcodes combined, which cost $150 each from Bowker Identifier Services. You can find Bowker at myidentifiers.com. You can also purchase a QR code from Bowker. However, we prefer a different resource. Generate a QR code online at qr-code-generator.com. There's no charge for this service. You will need to already have your book's web landing page in place for the generator to link up. In your book cover final layout, place the editor's combination ISBN barcode prominently on the back of the book and your QR code on the front. Your QR code will instantly direct readers to your website purchase page when you distribute your cover art. All the customer has to do is scan the QR code with a smartphone for you to close the sale. Books that are only published on Amazon Kindle do not need an ISBN. Amazon automatically assigns an ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number. But if you plan to also offer the same ebook elsewhere, you must have an ISBN. You can opt for a free ISBN from many publishers, but you'll lose the chance to own your own imprint. It's important to note that you must own and control the ISBN to own the imprint. Free ISBNs will show your publisher as the registered ISBN owner. You do not need to establish a formal company to have an imprint. Some authors use their pen name, but we recommend imprinting with a standalone brand name. If you allow your publisher to be listed as BookBaby or KDP or some other large publishing company, search engines like Google and Bing will put your works into those groups with hundreds, even thousands, of other books, obscuring your title from readers who are searching for your exact descriptive. We recommend you imprint a corporate name or something that represents your book's publishing brand. Also, if you write books in multiple genres, you can even have different imprints for each grouping. It's a great marketing ploy for directing specific readers to specific books. A good article for learning more about imprints is Scribe Guide to Publishing Imprints at scribemedia.com/publishing-imprint. Two things that promote book sales more than most others are reader reviews and editorial reviews. Editorial reviews are more time-consuming to generate, so you may want to begin courting book critics well before you need them. You'll want qualified industry authorities to read your final manuscript and write a review for you. That means you need a final product ready for print and a method for contacting the person or company who will take the time to give you a write-up. Some editorial reviewers may request a physical print copy to read. If so, you can order pre-release proof copies for a reasonable price from your POD printer. We'll talk more about print on demand later. For lining up ARC advanced review copy reviewers, we think the best place to find reader candidates is Goodreads. Now's a good time to put your author profile on Goodreads.com and set up your author dashboard. Once you're in as a Goodreads author, run a free Goodreads post to ask for ARC readers in return for a free copy of your book. You'll get more than you ask for. Keep in mind that people who take the free offer may not follow through with a review, so ask for more than you think you need. Save time and money. Don't send printed books, but rather e-books to ARC readers. You can even ask them to specify their preferred e-reader format when you have them sign up for the author. Refer them to your website and always grab their email address when they register so you can send them a thank you or special offer later. When you're done with your Goodreads profile, also create or update your Amazon Author Central profile. Both profiles generate followers and provide invaluable free marketing. Getting reviews on your Amazon page the very same day you launch your book release is a bit tricky, although completely legitimate. Here's what you do. When you offer your ARC books, generate your metadata for the Amazon ebook listing at the same time. Set your future release date for days or weeks down the road. Reviewers can then access the ebook listing with the direct Amazon URL, even though it's not searchable, and write a review well ahead of the launch. For your official release date, release your other editions, like hardcover and paperback, all at once. Ask Amazon through Author Central to link all your editions by the various ISBNs. Reviews will then carry over to all related copies. Some POD printers deliver a higher quality book than others. Some printers have locations in both the U.S. and other countries. That can keep shipping costs low when someone in Ireland buys your paperback and it's printed in London rather than Kentucky. Spend some time comparison shopping to get the best value for your book printing company. Children's books and illustrated or pop-up books demand special considerations. Hardcovers will generally have different size requirements than paperbacks. Therefore, you'll need different interior layout files with different page margins, gutters, headers, etc. The same goes for the cover art formatting. Each printing company will have specific requirements for layout. Follow your company guidelines closely before uploading your book file to avoid repeating this process after you read the first proof. In summation, here's the word, Bird. Don't shortcut your work with hasty production decisions or bundled freebies. 1. The best books are genuine assets. Treat your book like pure gold. It's your legacy. It represents who you are. 2. Well-planned identifiers make the book easy for readers to find. 3. Reviews sell books. Never pay for reviews, but get as many honest reviews as you can from the most credible authority you can muster. One great editorial review on the back of your book can move readers to buy what's inside. 4. Think of Goodreads as your Author Central page for the rest of the world outside of Amazon. Sign on to Goodreads and participate. Accounts are free, and Goodreads gets results. 5. Print on demand is your friend. Forget warehousing stockpiles of books in your garage, hoping they don't weather too much before your big book signing. POD books ship directly to the customer, so you don't even need to package them or visit the post office. Join us for Lesson 3, Selecting Genres and Categories next. See you next time. I'm Ray Palla.